to want to make our family stronger. This is what we need right now. Right now that she's still trying to figure out how to manage this. This is why I talk about reality shows, these things. It's hard. No one's talking about how to manage this.
Not at all. It's so difficult.
You get comments, you get people saying, come to this opportunity. You're trying to like keep the followers going. You're trying to get people to see you. No one's teaching you how to manage this.
With this girl, she's working my nerves. Like, she really.
15. What was that like for you?